Old Fortress is the main attraction of Kamyanets-Podilsky city. In the beginning of the video, I can want to give you one advice. From here is a very small speed, I can say photo speed, and from this place the photos, yes, from this exactly from this place the photos are the best. But usually there are a lot of people, a lot of tourists, so if you want to make some good photos, please come here early morning where are not so many people or no people at all. This is the town gate, central gate, and before it was the only entrance to the inside to the city through this bridge. This is the fortress itself. From the right side there is a castle well inside of this tower, and some information tables also. And you need to go down to this well, and I can tell you that it's mostly technical floor, and I think this floor is the minimum distance from the castle to the water level, and I think I evaluated it was approximately maybe 10 meters, maybe 15 meters, I don't know, but water there is. And another floor there is a wooden wheel, yes, and this is wooden wheel, and I think the water was lifted by horses, which one or two, I don't know, which were inside of this wheel. There are some inscriptions too about history of this tower and this well. To regret the information only in Ukrainian language, so you need to take English speaking guide. And from the left side there is a Pope Tower, and for tourists 2 floors are accessible. And well-known Ukrainian fighter Ustim Karmeluk used to be prisoned here. Yes, he is and at least part of this tower was used as a prison. And ground floor there is a pottery, and it's working pottery, so I think you can take here some kind of master class, and you can make the potter with your own hand. And next to the pottery there is a small balcony which goes outside of the fortress walls.